Overhead control panel. What's happening in there? So, we're going to read the codes, see what it says. Overhead control panel. Roof system remains in the switched status. Contact stuck. Roof system motor is blocked. That's fantastic. Yeah, my roof is not working very well. It opens and closes, but it seems like it's having a tougher time with it. And my shade won't close. The front shade won't close. It has these automatic roller blinds for the panoramic moonroof. So the front shade won't close because the value of the moonroof says that it's not closed all the way when it looks like it is. I mean, the car's not leaking when it rains, so yeah. I guess let's erase those. No fault. Okay. Driver's side. See what we've got there. The SAM. Huh. Stored and current. Oh, side marker lamp. Yeah, that's okay. Wow. Fanfare horns. I wonder what that is. Not gonna have the horn honking right now. Side lamp. Which side lamp? Turn signal, fog, main beam, low beam, side lamp. Left, right, 100%. Right on. Oh, F3. Device unable to communicate. Ensure the vehicle ignition's on. Right. Unable to communicate. Okay. Let's try a different one. Left one. Unable to communicate. Okay, that's interesting. Those were the only ones, right? Both are off. Okay. Okay. Control unit adaptations. Initializations. Steering column module. Okay. Two faults. Okay. That's fine. Module front left. Door, huh? The front door entry exit lamp has open circuit. Well, that's not good. Interesting. I thought this was outside, but this is actually inside. Check this out. Okay. Then I hit F4. Boom. Comes right back. It's very interesting. This thing, this tablet has some serious control. This is the MaxiCom MK908P. I'm hesitating because my light just went off over there on the side, so I'm not liking that at all. Okay. See, it's turning off. What's going on? I'm not really sure what's going on here. Hope I didn't just break that because it's not on. None of the things are on the door. Uh-oh. Forty-nine computers. Okay, so we're back. I had to exit out of the program to make this guy turn back on. Now it's working in concert with the rest of the, goes around. Anywho, where were we? So, the driver, yeah, we got that, the door modules and all that. Electric seat adjustment, front left, that's me. Let's see what we've got. This thing dives so deep, lumbar support adjustment is not okay. Leaks, open circuit, okay. Freeze frame data, 7. Cycle counter, 56, okay, so. Erase, yes. Height and rear, height at front. Seat cushion, backrest, head restraint. Seat belt wear convenience. Huh. Seat heater, footwell, lighting. Let's see this one. The relay, left front seat belt convenience feature solenoid should be heard to operate. Less exciting than I thought it was. Lumbar support, seat ventilation, touchscreen consumption. Lumbar support adjustment. Okay. Does a lot of things. Control unit adaptations. And we got parameterize. Interesting. Damn, that gets into the nitty-gritty, I bet. Interesting. Let's see the adjustment now. We're all normalized here. Okay. No fault. Okay, what else we got? We got the command fault. That could be serious. Diagnosis. So, see what we've got. Stored. Nice. The most network is shut down owing to insufficient battery voltage. Okay, let's go ahead and erase that. Thank you. Okay, and are we done? Is there more? What's happening here? Hold on, we gotta check the active test before. Display test images on it. Okay, check of wake up line to the most components, deleting customer specific data. Wow, optical ring test. What is that? I don't really want to do that. My screen is working fine. Still, diagnosis, and we're back. Okay, so blah blah blah, no faults there anymore. Satellite radio. 2 faults. And what, pray tell, might those be? May I inquire? Stored control module satellite radios faulty. Who you calling faulty? No fault. Tele-aid. See what we got here. Both stored. Heartbeat signal of airbag control module. Yes. In diagnosis, we do that auto scan, but there's also a control unit. So you can go exactly where you want to go. Drive has these things in them. Motor electronics. See what's in here. Okay. Fuel injectors, throttle valve actuator, fuel pump. Oh, this is good stuff. Look at this. Okay. Control units. Okay, transmission. Everything is in communication. It's a beautiful thing. Live data and special functions. Turn off the incline recognition. Transmission adaptation. Nice. Codes.